TLE 7 Computer System Servicing. Week 2 is all about types of computer and its structures and importance of computer ergonomics. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to identify different types of computer, demonstrate the basic structure or the information processing cycle of computer, and list the importance of computer ergonomics. A computer is an electronic device that is used to manipulate information and data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. In this lesson, you will be able to give the functions of different types of computer. Hardware. It refers to tangible, physical, and mechanical components of a computer. Different types of computer. Computers are classified in many types based in their size and speed. Supercomputers are extremely fast computers and can execute hundreds of millions of instructions per second. We use supercomputers in processing for information on quantum mechanics, large-scale weather forecasting, molecular studies, polymer research to solve mathematical problems, wind tunnel research, and chemical composition. The next type of computer is the mainframe computers. Are multi-user computer system capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Software technology is different from mini computer. Example, insurance company use mainframe computers to process information about millions of its policy holders. Another type of computer, mini computer. A multi-user computer system capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Uses. Mainframe computers are used to run commercial applications and other large-scale computer purposes. It is also used in banking and insurance business where erroneous amount of data are processed. For example, millions of records each day. Workstation is also a single-use user computer system, similar to personal computer. However, it has a more powerful microprocessor. Workstations are most often used for tasks like video editing, 3D graphics, engineering design, and data science visualization. So their graphics processing cards matter. Higher-end GPUs are engineered specifically for CAD and 3D rendering jobs. Server is a software Local area network. A print server manages one or more printers and print files sent by client computers. Network servers, which manage network traffic, and file servers, which store and retrieve files for clients, are two more examples of server. Microcontrollers are mini computers that enable the user to store data and execute simple commands and tasks. The computer in your car, for example, is an embedded system. Microcontrollers are used in automatically controlled products and devices such as automobile engine control systems, implantable medical devices, remote controls, office machines, appliances, powerful tools, toys, and other embedded systems. Personal computer is a single-user computer system having moderately powerful microprocessor. Here are some personal computer. Desktop computer is designed to place on a desk. It is commonly used at work, home, and school. They are made up of different parts like mouse, monitor, keyboard, and computer system unit. Another personal computer is a laptop computer, a battery-powered computer that are more portable than desktop, allowing you to use anywhere. Next, we have tablet computer. A tablet computer is handheld computer that are more portable than a laptop. It uses a touch-sensitive screen for typing and navigations. Computer has information processing cycle, and it has 4 phases of processing information. Input: a computer receives data and instruction. The process: a computer applies instructions to data to produce information. The storage is for saving information for future use, while the output: a computer sends information to people in a usable format. Here is the diagram of the 4 phases of computer cycle. Data was entered to your system, and then it will be processed by the system. It will go to storage, and then goes back to process before it produces an output, which is the information you need. For your learning task 1, write if the cycle of information processing belong to input, process, storage, or output. Number 1, encoding data or information. That is input. Sending files. That is processing. Hard disk. The correct answer, storage. hard copy of file. The correct answer, output. USB flash drive. The correct answer, storage. Computer ergonomics. Many people spend hours a day in front of a computer without thinking about the impact on their bodies. Physical daily stress can lead to injuries without lifelong impact on health. Ergonomics is a field of study that attempts to reduce strain, fatigue, and injuries by improving product design and workspace arrangement. The goal is a comfortable, relaxed posture. Elbows above the desk at 90 to 110 degrees. The shoulders relax as opposed to hunchback o pagkakuba. Wrist in line with forearms. Hips, knees, and ankles at 90 degrees while seated. The feet flat on the ground or footrest. Head upright with ears aligned with shoulder. Eyes level at the top of the computer. Seat length should be long enough to provide support beneath thighs. Backrest angled at 90 to 110 degrees with adequate lumbar support in line with lower back. Keyboard and mouse. G and H of keyboard should be aligned with your nose. Mouse gripped loosely. For your learning task 1, what are the different uncomfortable and awkward positions did you observe in these pictures? List down on your answer sheet ways on how to correct it. For example, elbows should be above the desk 90 to 100 degrees. I will give you 3 minutes to finish your learning task 1. Your timer starts now. Let us check your answer. For this position, the head should be upright with ears aligned with shoulders. The shoulders should be relaxed as opposed to hunchback. The backrest aligned at 90 to 110 degrees with adequate lumbar support in line with lower back. The seat length should be long enough to provide support beneath thighs. For this position, the seat length should be long enough to provide support beneath thighs. The shoulders should be relaxed opposed to hunchback. Your feet should be flat on the ground or footrest. Your keyboard and mouse should be G and H of keyboard should be aligned with your nose. Mouse grip loose. And your backrest should be aligned at an angle 90 to 110 degrees with adequate lumbar support in line with lower back. Did you get it all correct? If not, you may go back to a topic of ergonomics and review the lesson. For your learning task 2, computer is now considered a necessity in different fields of work like engineering, communications, medical, education, science, and discoveries, technical police work, and even in our homes. Computer plays a big role in assessing, processing, and sharing information. As a learner, can you give an example of how a computer can help you? You may write your answer at home and be ready for our next meeting. Let me share a quote from Nelson Mandela before I end our lesson. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. So what are you waiting for? The time is now to change the world. May God bless you.